Okay, we have our melted butter here in our 13 by 9. Now we are gonna grab our Southern style grand biscuits. These are the frozen kind, and we're just gonna plop them right in our butter. Just make sure that butter doesn't splash on you because it is gonna be hot. This should be enough for 8 to 12 biscuits, whatever you can fit in your 13 by 9. Just throw them in there, just like so. Woo! These are gonna be the best biscuits you've never had before. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 8 for this time. Now these are gonna go in the oven. My oven is set to 375 and they're gonna be in there for 25 minutes. While our biscuits are in the oven, I'm gonna grab 12 ounces of raspberries and put it in a pan that is at low heat. I'm grabbing some granulated sugar and we're gonna add 3/4 a cup of granulated sugar right into our raspberries. You can do whatever fruit you like. Now this is optional, but I'm gonna add some lemon zest in there just to add a little bit of tartness to those raspberries. It's gonna be so delicious, you guys. Perfect. Now I'm gonna grab my meat mincer and I'm gonna use it to crush those raspberries. Once all of our raspberries are broken apart, we're gonna let this simmer for 10 minutes. All right, once the 10 minutes is up, we're gonna turn off the heat and we are gonna let that set so it can thicken. All right, you guys, our butter swim biscuits are ready. Okay, let's go ahead and transfer them to a paper towel because we do not want them to be too greasy, but they are gonna be so flavorful. These are gonna be the best biscuits you've ever had. So buttery, they're just gonna fall apart in your mouth. And don't forget, we have that homemade raspberry jam. This is gonna be a winner. All right, before we put our jam on, let's go ahead and cut these in half. Ooh, they're still so warm. Crispy top, soft bottom. Oh, they're cooked perfect. Okay, I grabbed my raspberry jam. Look how thick it is. Oh my goodness. And you could strain out the seeds if you're not a raspberry seed fan, but personally I love that little crunch it gives to the biscuit because the biscuit is so soft and tender. But let's go ahead and finish our Southern style butter swim biscuits. So easy, so delicious, perfect for spring with that raspberry jam. You could just make the jam and eat it with a sandwich if you want. Okay, beautiful. Go ahead and close these up just like so, and then transfer them to our little serving platter where I put a little extra jam just in case there isn't enough in each biscuit. Look how good those are. Okay, it is time to try one. I'm so excited, I love butter. That is so good, you guys. You gotta try it.